This is grade 4, Module 1, Lesson 6, and the objective in this lesson is to find 1, 10, and 100,000 more or less than a given number. So we're going to be looking at homework problem number 1, and I'm going to do A and B for you. So the directions say label the place value chart, use place value discs to find the sum or difference, write the answer in standard form on the line. Okay, so A is 100,000 less than 560,313. But the first thing we're going to do is label the place value chart. And I just use an abbreviation, but I do want the students to write out the whole place value because I want them to learn what each of the place values are. So I encourage you to have your children at home write out all of the whole place value word. So looking at this problem, I'm going to have to take 560,313 and I'm going to put that on my place value chart. So it might be easier for your child to write out what 560,313 looks like and then put it into your chart. So if I do that, there you go, okay. There it is in the place value chart. I need to do 100,000 less, and 100,000 is this place value column right here. So just to, if it says less than, it means I'm taking it away or I'm subtracting it. So you can just show that by crossing this out right here. So that leaves 4 in the 100,000s place. I still have 6 in the 10,000s place. 0 thousands, 300s, 110, and 3 ones. So my answer would be 460,313. So now for B, they're giving us a number in expanded form. So they want to know 10,000 more than 300,000 plus 90,000 plus 5,000 plus 40 is equal to. So again, we're going to have to do our place value chart to label that. And we can write this number out in standard form if the students want to. It's good practice. Or we can look at expanded form and do our place value discs this way. So I'm in the 300,000. So in the 100,000s I have 3. In the 10,000s I have 9. I have 5,000. 40 tens. I have no hundreds. I have 40 tens. Okay, and it says 10,000 more than. Okay, so I'm going to go to my 10,000 columns, which is right here. And if you notice, I already have 9. So I'm going to put another place value just there to make that 10,000s. Well, I can regroup that. I can bundle that, and that becomes 100,000. So now I have 400,000. I have nothing in my 10,000 place because I just regrouped that. I have 5,000, nothing in my hundreds, 4 tens, and a 0 in my ones place. So I have 405,040. Okay? All right, so I'm going to do number 3, and it says fill in the empty boxes to complete the patterns. So we're going to look at the numbers here in the patterns and see what we can fill in. So by looking at 3A, I have 145,555. Then my next one is 147,555. So the only thing that changed was the thousands place. So let's just see if that continues in our pattern. And I have 149,555. So our thousands place is changing, okay? So we could fill it in here, 146,555, 148,555, and then after 149,555 would be 150,555, okay? And so I just wrote for my explanation, the numbers increase by 1,000 each time. So now I'm looking at B, and one thing that I have the students do is tell me if it's increasing or decreasing. So looking at B, the numbers are increasing. So that will be part of my explanation. So I'm looking at the first given number, and it's 764,321. The next one is 774,321. And then I have 804,321. So hopefully the students will be able to identify the digit in the 10,000s place is increasing. So we're going to go ahead and fill in the rest of our boxes. Okay, so I have 754,321, and then this one over here, 784,321, and then 794,321. So I'm going to write my explanation here at the bottom. Okay, this time I'm going to use a place value chart. So I'm going to go ahead with this number right here and put it in my place value chart. So, okay. And so this number right here, I just put in my place value chart. So when I'm going to put this one in, I notice the only thing that's changing is this becomes the 7. And then to get my 804,321, well, to make this 2, 3, this becomes regrouped, and this becomes 8. So the only thing that was changing was the 10,000s place. And that reads the numbers increase by 10,000 each time. Okay, so that's the explanation for this.